Hey guys, it's GMAN here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 11 or Windows 10 on your PC that you just built with a USB thumb drive. So let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is get yourself a USB thumb drive. Now, I will have one link down below you can get yourself for cheap. And of course, use that link, it does support the channel. So always appreciate it. No additional cost to you. But once you got your thumb drive, you want to plug it into a PC that's already working. So I'm going to plug it into my stream PC here. Next thing you want to do is look up Windows 11 download or Windows 10 download, whatever one you want. Of course, we'll have both of them linked down below. And once you actually have that link and go to this page here, you can actually choose which version of the installation you want to do. Now, me personally, we're installing Windows 11. So what we want to do is go to Windows 11 installation media. So we're going to download this file, and what it's going to do is download it, and we're going to actually go to our file explorer on our computer, go to our downloads, and then we want to load this actual file here. Now, when we load this file, what it's going to do is take that USB thumb drive and turn it into a bootable drive to actually use the Windows 11 installation on. And of course, you want to make sure it's the Windows 11, which is awesome. And then we want to just click USB flash drive. Of course, we're going to need at least 8 gig, and then we can choose our device of choice. So of course, going to choose that USB thumb drive because it's right here. It's Q, but you're just going to make sure to look up on your computer in your file explorer, just go to this PC, and then you should just be able to identify your thumb drive based on like the size of it. So I know I have a 28 gig one, and it's also my Q drive. So same thing here, just going to click on that drive, click next, and that's gonna be the drive we're gonna set up to be our actual boot drive for Windows 11 setup. So now you gotta wait because it's gonna take a minute. The big thing to keep in mind though is when you use a thumb drive, it should just be a thumb drive that has been used already. After you actually install Windows 11, you can clear off the drive with all the stuff on it if you want to reuse it for something else, but you make sure to use a fresh drive for actually installation. Okay, with that though, we have now a Windows installation file all good on our USB thumb drive. So what we can do with this USB thumb drive now is unplug it and actually get ready to install it on our new PC build. It's first of all, turn off the PC, take our USB drive. We can either plug into the back port of the motherboard or into the front. We're just gonna plug in the back to the time being. Just makes the most sense for me. And then with that, we turn our PC. Once it turns on, it should just load for a second, then actually notice the thumb drive to install Windows 11 onto your PC. With that though, we're good to go. So we can start installing Windows 11 onto our PC. We're just going to click install now. Now, we don't have a product key right now. I'm not too worried about that, so we're going to just not mess with that for the time being. We just want to do Windows 11 home, and I just want to agree to the terms of service and just do custom install, and then we want to install onto our boot drive. Now, of course, I have my 980 Pro here, so that's what drive I want to install into. Of course, we're going to delete the drive in itself to clear partitions, and then we're going to reformat that. But if you're installing a new drive on your PC, you won't have to do this step. So we're going to say new, we're going to apply, it's going to add, and there we go. So we got our drive right here. So we're gonna click next. Are you want to load this? Absolutely. And then it's going to start installing Windows on your computer. With that, will be good to go. With that though, Windows 11 is installed, so you can just go for the normal setup process to do this. I'm just going to skip this real quick. Okay, Windows is successfully installed, so that's good. Now, the thing you might be wondering is how do I get myself a Windows key? Well, I'm going to have a link down below, so that way, depending on which version of Windows you actually download, you can actually get them for cheap. Because the thing about Windows keys is that you could spend $100 to $200 on them, but in reality, you don't really need to. You can go to this page here I have, which is for Windows 11 home, which we still teach you how to install here today. You can get it for $29 to $30. So you don't have to spend like $100 or $200 on Windows 11. You can put that money maybe in your pocket and save for later, or use it to reinvest in maybe more storage or even more RAM, depending on your use case. But of course, once you're here, you want to just buy it, you'll get an email, and that email would actually have the key activation code. And I have used this in the past, so I can confirm it works. I've done it for so far 4 machines. Well, once you get that code, what you want to do is just look up settings on your computer, look up activation settings, and in here you will be able to actually change your product key. We'll just click on that, and of course you just want to enter your key in like so. But once it's done, it should just activate your computer and you're all set to go. Use Windows 11 or whatever version of Windows you want. With that though, you have successfully installed Windows 11 on your new PC. If you guys did find this video helpful or interesting, then you know what to do. Make sure to smash the like button and get subscribed so you don't miss some future tech content, because later here we got a $800 PC build plan and another video coming out what to do after finish building your PC that goes into how to get a little bit more performance out of it. So you know what to do if you don't want to miss out on that. I'll see you guys from on. GMAN out.